In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best working review coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for review coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called the Pocket News. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, you want to get this 10% discount on all purchases that you make. So all you need to do right here is just select this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here that you can simply copy and you can use this promo code so that you can get a 10% discount on your next purchase. Also, we have right here another website which is called Tenere Team. And right here we have some promo codes as well as some deals that we can use to get some benefits and discounts. So let's say you want to get this one with 50% discount right here. So all you need to do is just select this button where it says get code. And here is our promo code right here. You can simply tap on the copy button to copy this promo code and use it in order to get the 50% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.